As a project management expert, I often emphasize that successful projects aren't just about getting the work done. They're also about doing it within financial constraints. This inevitably leads to the critical topic of budgeting. For many freelancers, consultants, and small business owners, FreshBooks is a go-to tool for invoicing and expense tracking. But does it extend its capabilities to comprehensive budgeting? The short answer is that FreshBooks provides foundational tools that are essential for budgeting, but it doesn't offer the deep, dedicated budgeting features you might find in more robust enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, or specialized budgeting software. Think of it this way. FreshBooks gives you excellent ingredients and a solid kitchen, but it doesn't necessarily provide the detailed recipe and automated cooking process for a complex budget. Let's break down what FreshBooks does offer and how you can leverage its strengths to support your budgeting efforts. The cornerstones of budgeting: income and expense tracking. At its core, budgeting is about understanding your money, where it comes from, income, and where it goes, expenses. FreshBooks excels in these fundamental areas. Effortless expense tracking. FreshBooks makes tracking your expenses incredibly easy. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards, allowing transactions to be automatically imported. You can also snap photos of receipts with your phone, and FreshBooks uses optical character recognition, OCR, to pull out key details. This accurate and timely expense tracking is the bedrock of any good budget. Without knowing what you're spending and on what, budgeting is a shot in the dark. FreshBooks allows you to categorize these expenses, which is crucial for identifying spending patterns and allocating funds in your budget. Robust income tracking, invoicing, and payments. FreshBooks is renowned for its invoicing capabilities. Every invoice you send and every payment you receive is meticulously recorded. This gives you a crystal clear picture of your incoming revenue. When you're building a budget, having a reliable forecast of your income is just as important as tracking your expenses. FreshBooks allows you to see what's been billed, what's outstanding, and what's been paid, giving you the data needed to project future income. How FreshBooks supports project budgeting. While FreshBooks doesn't have a dedicated budgeting module, in the traditional sense, it offers strong capabilities for project-level financial management, which is a crucial aspect of budgeting for many service-based businesses. Project creation and cost tracking. You can create specific projects within FreshBooks. As expenses are incurred or time is tracked for a particular project, you can assign them directly to that project. This allows you to monitor the real-time costs associated with each project. Time tracking. For service-based businesses, time is money. FreshBooks integrated time tracking allows you to log hours spent on client projects. This data is invaluable for understanding the true cost of a project and comparing it against your initial estimates or project budget. Billable expenses and markups. If you pass on expenses to your clients, e.g., travel costs, materials, FreshBooks allows you to mark these expenses as billable and even add a markup. This ensures you're recovering project-related costs accurately. Project profitability reports. This is where FreshBooks truly shines for project managers. The software generates reports that show the profitability of individual projects. You can see the income generated versus the expenses and time costs incurred. This report is a powerful tool for analyzing whether your projects are staying within budget and helping you make informed decisions for future projects. By reviewing these reports, you can identify if certain types of projects consistently go over budget and adjust your pricing or processes accordingly. The missing piece: dedicated budgeting features. What FreshBooks typically doesn't offer are features like setting granular budget lines. You can't, for instance, set a specific budget for marketing for the month and then track your actual spending against that target within FreshBooks' core budgeting features. You'd track the expenses, but the comparison against a set budget would often happen outside the system. Budget versus actuals reports, company-wide. While you can see project profitability, a comprehensive report showing your entire business's income and expenses against predefined budget categories for a given period isn't a primary, out-of-the-box feature. Forecasting and scenario planning. More advanced budgeting tools allow you to create financial forecasts, predict cash flow, and run what-if scenarios, e.g., what if sales drop by 10%? FreshBooks is not built for this level of sophisticated financial modeling. How to budget effectively with FreshBooks.